Do you want access to all of my yummy recipes and cooking updates? Click the link in the comment box below and subscribe to my email list so you don't miss anything. Bye. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some fish and grits for dinner. I got this pink wild-caught salmon from Aldi. Listen, I'm gonna keep it cute today and I ain't gonna put the L in salmon, okay? But just know that I typically do. I let these thaw just in the sink. They don't take long to thaw at all, y'all. You do need to take them out of the package first. As you can see, they are a pretty nice size. And I want to say they were less than $6. I'm also making some grits too. So I seasoned up my water from my grits. Then I have my salmon over here. Got some butter, Creole, Old Bay, and some parsley as well. Y'all drop out in the comments and let me know if there's anything that I may have missed when it came to seasoning my salmon up. I was going to put some garlic, but I decided against it. I am putting these puppies in the air fryer. Y'all already know. Listen, I'm going to set it and forget it, okay? I just pressed the fish button. It put it on 390. And it set for about 10 minutes. I did, I don't think I needed to give it that shake in between for this because you don't need to flip it or do anything. You see my grits over there on the side. That water is just bubbling all up. Y'all, when I tell you this was a good, quick, easy, just savory meal. I got my Quaker old-fashioned grits. I'm just using a cup. I think I put about 2 or 3 cups of water in there, maybe a little more. I put it on high. As you can see, my salmon is done. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Y'all see that juice just running out the side? Yes, ma'am. Okay, I got my grits here and I was just giving it a bit of a stir. I did turn the heat down because, baby, when I tell you them grits will get to boiling like lava, Madea voice, you don't want that to be you, okay? So turn that heat down. As you can see, they were starting to thicken up. I was a little hungry, y'all, so your girl was not waiting for them to thicken up all the way. I did give it just a little bit of seasoning. I'm sorry, y'all. You got to season your grits, okay? If you are not seasoning your grits, what are you doing? I know some people like to put in sugar, but I was going for more of a savory taste. You already know I had my slice of cheese. Yes, ma'am. If you ain't putting cheese in your grits, I don't want them. So I did put in just a slice or 2 of cheese. I think I went back later, and you already know I had to put some more butter as well. I gave it a little stir, y'all, and as you can see, it was coming up just nicely here. I got my little plate. I may have put just a little too much grits in here. Once again, they did thicken up more off camera, so don't give me too much, okay? Your girl was hungry. I put in my piece of salmon, and it came out so good. Drop it in the comments and let me know if you would try this.